My name is Peter Lynch. I am one of the plumbing lecturers at Northern Regional College. I deliver plumbing lessons in both practical workshops and classroom theory environments at all levels of the plumbing apprenticeship. I also deliver hydrogen upskilling training to industry. When I was completing my plumbing apprenticeship, as well as going to work in different jobs and sites and overcoming new challenges every day, I really enjoyed attending college, and at that time thought it was something I would like to go into further down the line. When I was working on sites supervising staff and apprentices, I was aware that I was a good communicator and had technical skills and ability, as well as the patience to advise and support work colleagues in their day-to-day work. I am ambitious and keen to learn about new and emerging technologies, and have always enjoyed developing my own skills and qualifications. Working in the college allows me to do this. I was able to make the switch from industry into teaching by firstly developing my technical skills and abilities. I completed other post-apprenticeship training such as gas, oil and unvented accreditation. I completed my assessor award and a certificate in teaching. I then successfully applied for Northern Regional College, where I completed my PGCE in teaching and have recently completed more upskilling courses like renewable energy and heat pump accreditation. The college will give you the opportunity to complete the required professional training you need to become a lecturer. The job has many benefits, from job security, a regular salary, great holidays, flexible timetables, fantastic pension, support in developing self-skills, teamwork, work conditions and career opportunities. It is always nice to meet past pupils when I am out and about and listen to them tell me how they are doing well and how attending the college helped them to succeed. Becoming a plumbing lecturer is a great opportunity to help support the plumbing industry by delivering training to young people who are interested in our profession. Giving young people the opportunity to develop skills that will help them throughout their adult lives. And there is a great opportunity for a new lecturer to complete the required training needed to become a lecturer. We look forward to seeing you at our recruitment event.